Welcome back guys. This week's news about space is as follows, and also if you want to check out the full details about a particular news, I left the links of each in the description. You can check them out. Firstly, it's a good news for Indians as NASA launches SS Kalpana Chawla Cygnus spacecraft to International Space Station. This mission is named after Kalpana Chawla. Northrop Grumman resupplied the ISS with around 8,000 pounds of cargo. Specifically, they are scientific investigations, technology demonstrations, and commercial products. Cargo that includes scientific equipment and experimental space toilet, yeah, you are right, food, hardware, and other supplies for the astronauts living and working on the space station. About Kalpana Chawla, she was the first Indian woman to go to space and regarded as a national hero. She died in a fatal incident with all other 6 crew members on board of Space Shuttle Columbia on February 1, 2003. During the launch of STS-107, Columbia's 28th mission, a piece of foam insulation broke off from the Space Shuttle external tank and struck the left wing of the orbiter. But when Columbia re-entered the atmosphere of Earth, the damage allowed hot atmospheric gases to penetrate the heat shield and destroy the internal wing structure, which caused the spacecraft to become unstable and break apart. It's a great tribute. Second news is interesting. NASA's new project will let us patrol outer space for new planets. Yeah, that's a great news. Hold on, you're not going up there to patrol, of course. You can discover new world beyond our solar system by sitting at your home. It's a new science platform named as Planet Patrol, launched by NASA. Public can collaborate with professional astronomers as they sort through a stockpile of star-studded images collected by NASA Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. One more thing guys, you can spot the planet Mars in the night sky this week, so don't miss to check it out when you head for a night walk. It's beautiful. Third news, SpaceX aborts its launch. It had to put advanced GPS satellite for the US Space Force. The rocket was scheduled to launch the next generation GPS-3 SV04 satellite into orbit at 9:43 PM EDT. What caused the abort is still not communicated to the public. The interesting thing is that the abort decision was taken at just 2 seconds remaining for the launch. The next launch opportunity for this mission is on Saturday at 9:39 PM EDT. That is on October 4th. Fourth news, China to fly its astronauts to moon in its new rocket soon. They're building the rocket and they haven't said any specific date for test types or prototype launches. China has not officially approved a program to put astronauts on the moon, but has been talking openly about such missions recently. The Hazard unnamed rocket will be 285 feet, that is 87 meters long, with a 3-stage central core, and it is being designed at the China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology in Beijing. Always mysterious. Fifth news, SpaceX finishes assembling new Starship prototype. SpaceX is working its way up to the final Starship iteration via a series of prototypes. You guys check out the first test version. The single-engine Starhopper was retired last month after acing its second and final untethered flight from Boca Chica. This 165-foot tall, that is 50 meters, Mach 1 is the next in line. This 3-engine vehicle will initially fly to an altitude of about 12 miles, that is 20 kilometers, perhaps as early as next month. Musk said that the Mach 1 will go into Earth orbit on future test flights if all goes according to the plan. The outlook is similar for Starship Mark II, which SpaceX is building at its Florida facilities. The goal is to improve the final design of Starship via some competition between the two sites. Apart from space news, one that caught my eyes was Elon Musk in a tweet said that Tesla will enter India in the next year for sure. That's a great exciting news. That's the end of the news from the last week. Stay tuned for this week's major updates on space. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and as promised, the Space Talks video is on the way. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, enjoy and keep learning about space. Thank you.